皆さん、こんにちは。JST です。Today we're gonna see a new Kamen Rider called Kamen Rider Majade. Let's go! Kamen Rider Majade is henshin by Kudo Rinne. And it is debuted in the Kamen Rider Gotchard and Geats, the movie. And HENSHIN is Alchemisdriver. It's actually the Gotchard driver plus the Alchemist unit. And the Henshin card is the Sun and Unicorn. Henshin into Sununicorn. Okay, and here's some photos of the Kamen Rider Majade. So what do you guys think of this new Kamen Rider? Leave your comments below. Overall, I think this is pretty simple and cool. I love it. Can't wait for the debut of the Kamen Rider Majade in the Gotchard series. And let's wait and see. And here's the Henshin sound.
Alchemisdriver. Alchemist Link.
Okay, here we go. Updates of today. Hope you guys are enjoying. Thanks for your channel and see you next time. Ciao. Matane.
I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm as sharp as many